Hey guys, this is Andrew back at you with another video, and today we're going to talk about the best autoresponder in 2019. This is not a video review about Aweber, GetResponse, iContact, or any of these well-known autoresponders. This autoresponder is the number one, and I'm telling you guys, if you are not using this autoresponder, this will change your life. So please watch this video until the end, because I got some really cool prizes for those of you who stick until the end of this video. So let's get started. Before I explain this autoresponder, or I show you this autoresponder that most of you have never heard of, please go grab something to drink, something to eat, because this video is going to be long. You may get bored, so you better get something to eat or drink so that you don't get that bored. So I'm gonna explain in details why is this autoresponder the best one, and why should you get this ASAP. Now this autoresponder is called Sendiio. You must have searched on YouTube and found a bunch of videos that Indian people, black people, white people, whatever. I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. So the point is, you searched and you found some video reviews about Aweber and GetResponse, and you think that they are they are so expensive, because the more subscribers you have, the more they charge you. As you can see here, guys, if you have like 5,000 subscribers, you have to pay $49 a month. For me, that's a robbery, guys, here. And if you choose GetResponse, which is the same, it's $49 here, $49 there. They have a special prices here. I don't know why people use these autoresponders. They are so lame. Today I'm going to show you a brand new autoresponder you have never heard for. Now, why did I call it the best? Why is it considered the best? Now, most of people don't know about this autoresponder yet, so you better get it now, because it's a one-time fee. You don't have to pay monthly like this. You don't have to pay 19 or 29 or whatever. You pay just one time and you get to access this lifetime. So this autoresponder has a one-time payment. Unlike Aweber, GetResponse, and iContact, they have monthly payments independent on your subscriber. This has a one-time payment for unlimited subscribers, unlimited messages. And the crazy thing is that it allows you to profit from the power of email marketing, text messaging marketing, and Facebook Messenger marketing, all under one dashboard with zero monthly fee, guys. Zero monthly fee. You pay one time, you access the software. This is a cloud-based software. You don't have to download anything. You just enter their website, you enter your username, your password, and you are good to go. Now, why should you choose this over Aweber and GetResponse? Now, Aweber and GetResponse offer all these tools inside of them. All these tools are included in Sendiio as well, for the price of $37. This is a one-time payment, guys. Remember, companies like Aweber charge you, you begin with $19 for 500 subscribers, and up to $194 per month for 25,000. Here as well we have some prices. This is from 15 up to $1,199. That's crazy, guys. What if I tell you you can access all these tools that are in the $1,199 here, all for just $37? You're gonna tell me you are a crazy guy. No, this is not crazy, this is real. Now, I can't go to the platform and show you everything because it will take like ages. I made a review video, and this is a more in-depth review. If we wanna know everything about Sendiio, I made a video, a review video, so you can check it out. Just click the first link in the description. It will take you to my bonus page. Now I have put up some custom made bonuses for you if you decided to purchase Sendiio. Now, what are my bonuses? The first bonus is gonna be a hack on how to grow your email list fast. Now, I'm gonna teach you how to grow your email list fast. Then you can message them or message them using Sendiio. Excuse my bad English. I'm trying my best to explain everything to you. I'm just so excited to share this with you. So please bear with me the bad language. Second bonus is gonna be 4,000 done for you emails. I'm gonna give you 4,000 done for you emails that you can use. You can copy my email swipe, put it on your autoresponder, put your affiliate link and make money. As soon as you grow your email list, you can send them emails and make money. Remember guys, this is a $37 product with a one-time payment. So the third bonus is going to be a hack on how to grow your Facebook page faster. Like I said, Sendiio doesn't include email messaging only. They include Facebook Messenger as well. You get a Facebook Messenger bot included for free. You can have as many subscribers as you want. You can send as many messages as you want with $0 fees monthly. This is a $0 fees. You pay one time, you get access, a lifetime access. So the fourth bonus is gonna be a hack on how to grow or how I'm sorry, it's gonna be a tutorial on how to get targeted phone numbers from any niche. So if you are an online marketer, you are in a specific niche, I'm gonna teach you on how to get targeted phone numbers for that niche, for your specific niche. Now, why did I not include done for you phone numbers? Because every person in this industry won't be able to use these phone numbers. If I give you phone numbers, I am in the affiliate marketing, in the make money online niche. Not everybody who's watching this video is in that niche. So I'm going to teach you on how to get these phone numbers yourself and how to market to these phone numbers and send them SMS messages. And the bonus number 5 is going to be how to increase your email click-through rates. Now, if you can increase your email click-through rates, you will get tons of sales. For example, if you have a 20% open rate, I can teach you on how to get up to 10% click rate, which means 50% click rate. That's crazy, guys. No one will teach you this for free. I'm giving you all my bonuses for free, and the last bonus is gonna be access all the vendors bonuses. Now you have to if you want to purchase this and get all my bonuses, just come through to this page by clicking the link down below. Once you click down on the link down below, all you have to do is come to this page and click one of these red buttons right here. Once you click the red buttons, you will be taken to the sales page of Sendiio. Once you purchase Sendiio, after you purchase, and just go into your Warrior Plus account, as you can see here, guys, this is the Warrior Plus account. Then on the right, on the top right, you will find like a little icon. Just click on it, then click purchase history, then click Sendiio, then click access affiliate bonuses, and then you will be able to access to all these bonuses for free of charge if you decided to get Sendiio through my link. Now, Sendiio is going to cost you $37, but here is the trick. You have to get an SMTP server. If you want me to teach you on how to get an SMTP server for free, I can teach you that. But if you want to save time for you, I'm gonna make a video. The next video is gonna be on how to get an SMTP, so please subscribe and hit that bell button. Then if you want to get an SMTP server done for you, a high quality SMTP, because the video that I'm gonna make is gonna be a free SMTP. If you want to save the trouble, you can go for the second upsell. Don't go for the first upsell, because the first upsell is going to teach you how to grow your subscribers, and I got you covered in my first bonus, which is how to grow your email list fast. I never recommend to get the first upsell. Just get the front end, and if you want to fast forward this, you can get the SMTP. They're gonna give you dedicated SMTP for you, done for you. You're gonna pay $37 per month. Think of it. If you have a list, if you build a list of, let's say, 5,000 or higher, this is an investment, guys. $37 is very cheap, especially if you have like 5,000 subscribers or 2,500. As you can see, from 2,500 up to 5,000, you pay $49. Here you pay $37 for any type of subscribers. You can have 100,000 and you will still pay $37. As for here, we have $49, and if you have 5,000 up to 10,000, you pay $69, and so on and so forth. The same for get response, and the same for eye contact. For eye contact is one of the highest priced autoresponders. So as you can see, guys, this is a really great investment, because here, as you can see, we have 10,000 subscribers for $165 a month. Here they give you a dedicated SMTP for how many? Unlimited subscribers, unlimited messages, and you get access to all these tools here, written here, all pro tools, all marketing automation tools. You're gonna get access inside of Sendiio, in addition to messages, Facebook messages and text messages, all in one place for $37 a month. That's crazy, guys. That's a great deal that you don't want to miss out. So if you have a bigger this is really great. If you have a bigger list, bigger than 2,500, here we have 5,000 for $49. That's crazy. I will never pay 5,000. I will never pay $49 for 5,000 email list. Plus, if you pay $37 per month, you are not going to access the SMTP. You're gonna get access to gonna get access as well to messenger marketing and text messages marketing. That's super powerful. So the upsell number 3, you don't need this upsell. Don't buy this upsell, because it's the VA. What this means, that you can get all these funnels if you decided to promote it. If you are an affiliate marketer, if you decided to promote it, you will get 100% for each sale on these upsells. I never recommend that. So the upsell number 4 is the Sendiio booster. The Sendiio booster is a great tool. This gives you the ability to send to unopened emails. This will send, for example, you send an email to 10,000 people. Let's say 2,000 people opened, then 8,000 didn't open. This will give you the ability to send to people who didn't open your message at the first time. So once you send it to them, you will change all you have to do is change the title. They will ask you to change the title. You change the title, then after you change the title, they will resend after 2 or 3 hours, depending on what you choose. I explained all this in my video review that you will find on the first link in the description. It will take you to this bonus page, and anytime that you want to buy this product, just click on one of these red buttons and you can buy this product and access all my bonuses. Now let's go back here. Here are the key benefits that you may interest you in getting Sendiio. Now Sendiio gives you and creates unlimited email marketing campaigns, creates unlimited Facebook and text messages campaigns, easily import unlimited emails and phone numbers, zero monthly fees during our charter member opening, limited time bonus, agency access included. So these are limited time bonus. As you can see, they give you bonuses here. They give you, I think they give you a Twitter bot that you can market using Twitter, and a Pinterest bot. I don't know if they still have that. I'm pretty sure they does. They said that these bonuses are available in 3 months period. So make sure to get this ASAP. If you have an SMTP server, just use it and get the front end for $37. Use your SMTP and you don't have to pay $37 a month. If you don't have an SMTP, you can pay $37 a month and save yourself the trouble, because all these autoresponders, they charge you like $49 for 2,500 up to 5,000 subscribers, which is crazy. $149 for 10,000 up to 25,000 subscribers. Here you can have unlimited messages, unlimited subscribers, and you get access to all these tools. So if you decided to purchase this product, just purchase the front end. Don't purchase the first upsell. Just go down the page, go down to the page at the last line of the page, click no thanks. It will take you to the second upsell. If you have the money, if you are willing to invest for the future, I definitely recommend $37. If you check out Aweber and get response, you will know that this is the best deal in the market. So make sure you get this before the price goes up, because it was $27, now it's $37. Maybe next month it will be $47. Get this as ASAP. I'm telling you, this will go up. So be fast. Just click the first link in the description, then come through to this bonus page, click on the red button, any one of these red buttons, and you will be able to access. Now, if you want to get the best out of Sendiio and email marketing, you can get the Sendiio booster. Don't get the third upsell, just get the second upsell, and the fourth upsell is a must. I got the fourth upsell. I explained to you in my review video how to use it. You can use it, you can send to people who didn't open your messages. You can resend them the same email. You just change the title and you choose after like 3 hours they receive another email with a different title. So this is a really great tool that will increase your open rates. It's $67 only. So if you have that extra $70 to spend, I highly recommend you go for the fourth upsell. So just buy the front end for $37, then you can invest for the second upsell, and the fourth upsell is a must. So I hope you like this video about Sendiio, and I hope you use it. I switched to Sendiio because I didn't like Aweber. I used Aweber, I used GetResponse, but I couldn't get the best out of them like I did with Sendiio. So please, if you like this video, just hit that like button, share it with your friends there so that they can grow their email marketing business. And I'm happy if you join my family and subscribe and hit that bell button, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions, please leave them at the comment box down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.